everyone, Julie here and welcome back to the YouTube channel. If you're new, hi, welcome. Today's video I'm going to have a look at the new remove tool in Photoshop. I don't know if you've seen it, I don't know if you've used it, but it's actually pretty cool. To find it, you will find it in the healing section. So you've got your spot healing brush tool, your healing brush tool, your patch tool, content aware, etc. And you've got this new remove tool. And it's actually pretty cool. It's easy to use, but there is a few little glitches that sometimes happen. So I thought I'd go through it. I could start with finding things like one-click removal. So you've got wires and cables and you've got people, or you can just select it yourself. So all you have to do is come in and just select the area you want, and don't forget things like shadows, reflections, and a little bit of extra. You can see here where I am pretty messy. I haven't been very particular at all. Now I can do that and hit click, or if I want to, I can hit remove after each stroke. So it's up to you which way you want to go. So I can do that and just hit the little click. It does take a second or two just to apply it. And it's as simple as that. Does a really good job. So if you do click that, there's something that you do need to know, is that you can't move on to the next bit until it has finished that. So if you've got a whole heap of sensor spots or something like that that you want to get rid of and you don't want to have to wait in between strokes, take that remove after each stroke off, select everything that you need. So if you've got quite a few, I've got a toss between a dirty sensor and a lot of flies that were flying in front of my shot. So I'm going to select all of those and then I just hit click. And that's it, it's all done. So you can come through and you can quickly and easily remove stuff. How does this differ from using any of the other tools? The spot healing tool will use AI. The remove tool uses even more AI. The healing brush tool allows you to select which pixels you want to copy from. So that just gives you another couple of things to throw in your arsenal and makes it quick and easy to clean your images up. So that's it for today. Really quick and easy. I've got quite a lot of sensor spots on this image as it turns out, so I will keep playing with that. Let me know in the comments if you've used the removal tool and how you find it. Just a heads up, I have found that if I'm doing a large area, then sometimes Photoshop does crash and I will have to restart it. Make sure you continuously save your image as you're working so that you don't have to repeat all the steps again, and you can just come back, open it and continue working on where you got up to, or close to where you got up to. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you next time on YouTube. Bye for now.